SolidGigs Freelance Honest Review. Watch before using. SolidGigs is a freelance job platform designed to save you time by curating high-quality leads from multiple job boards and delivering them straight to your inbox. Unlike traditional platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, SolidGigs is not a marketplace, but a lead generation tool that filters out low-paying gigs and presents only the best opportunities. This service is ideal for freelancers in writing, design, marketing, and development who want to spend less time searching for jobs and more time working. The biggest selling point is its time-saving approach. Instead of manually browsing dozens of job sites, SolidGigs' team handpicks the top 1% of freelance jobs and emails them directly to you. They also provide a library of premium training courses, templates, and resources to help freelancers grow their business, making it more than just a job board. Now, let's talk about pricing. SolidGigs operates on a subscription model, costing $21 per month after a 30-day trial at just $2. Unlike commission-based platforms, SolidGigs does not take a percentage of your earnings, making it a predictable investment. But is it worth the cost? That depends on your experience level and ability to convert leads into paying clients. If you're a beginner without an optimized portfolio or sales strategy, you might struggle to land jobs even with curated leads. However, if you're an established freelancer with a strong pitch, this service can be a game changer by eliminating time wasted on job hunting. The downside? SolidGigs doesn't guarantee jobs. It only provides leads. You still have to apply and compete with other freelancers. Plus, it mainly focuses on US-based opportunities, so if you're an international freelancer, the job pool might be more limited. Another thing to consider is that many of the gigs they source are also available for free on job boards like We Work Remotely or ProBlogger, so you're essentially paying for the convenience of having them handpicked for you. So, should you use SolidGigs? If you're an experienced freelancer who wants to streamline job searching and you're confident in your ability to close deals, it's a solid investment. However, if you're just starting out and struggling to land clients, you might be better off using free job boards and focusing on building your portfolio first. Overall, SolidGigs is best for busy freelancers who value time over money and need a steady stream of quality leads. If that sounds like you, the $21 monthly fee could be a smart investment in your freelance career.